try and dirt first?
Yeah. You just let them out!
Just a tiny bit! Okay.
Why would you cover your mouth?
It came out of my nose!
Oh my god! See your face! I don't even think I got it on the camera, but oh my god, look at your face!
I have to get it out of my nose. It's all in my nose. It blew out of my nose. Are you even recording? Did you see it come out of my nose?
No.
Okay. Oh, my shirt.